If you're planning to buy a wireless earphone, Oppo would be the last name in your mind. But that might change with Oppo Enco M31, a Bluetooth wireless earphone available at Rs 1999 in India. When I tested the earphone, it came as a bit of surprise for me. On a positive note, this earphone could be easily one of the best under 2000 wireless earphones available now in market. Here are the top features of the Enco M31 and the review and my thoughts of this wireless earphone. This is Lakshmajan from TechRaman. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and keep supporting. Now let's get into the video. Like OnePlus Bullet earphones, Enco M31 also comes with magnetic controls. Just attach the buds together when not in use and the Bluetooth connection goes to off mode. And take them off the magnets and the Bluetooth connects, sets on again and gets connected. This is very convenient while using in a day-to-day life. The sound profile of the Enco M31 is best in class in this price segment, or maybe it punches more than its price. The bass is neat, the sound separation is very notable, the bass, mids and highs are clearer with good clarity. If you are a bass head, there is a separate bass mode that can be activated by pressing the multi-function button for 3 seconds and it gives you the extra punch. The call quality is excellent. They claim to have a AI noise cancellation. Whatever it is, it works great and the call quality is pretty good. Playing PUBG or gaming is good with low latency and PUBG soundstage is very definite. That can give you an edge in gaming. I enjoy the game soundstage that comes with this earphone. Talking about the controls, there is volume control. You can change tracks, activate voice assistant. The Enco M31 is IPX5 rated for splash resistant and sweat damage, so you can take it for jog and workouts. It's very comfortable wear and it's lightweight. You will be happy to wear it for a long hours. The battery life is pretty good, takes 1 hour for full charge and you can get anywhere between 8 to 10 hours depending on the audio format and the volume you use. It uses Type-C port for charging. Overall, for $2000, I would say Oppo Enco M31 is a great buy. You will not regret. I bought it and I am extremely happy with this earphone. So that's the Oppo Enco M31, a great buy. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Keep supporting. This is Lakshmajan signing off for TechRaman. Have a great day. Cheers.